I was cold. Should probably put the blanket on.
Dude, yeah, I know, you might get cold.
Yeah.
You might get the coronavirus, mate.
Yeah, that's what I got right now in Australia.
Yeah, mate. We just have coronas.
Alright. Check out the manifold.
Ooh.
Sick manifold, eh?
Yeah.
Good manifold.
Oh, mate, can I get my manifold skimmed?
Yeah, right always.
Yes.
Alright, so the thing that was fully f***ed with this car was one valve's bent, and then that's the other one.
Oh yeah.
Fully broken.
Not bad.
Snapped, it crumbled. So I don't know, this is in this cylinder here, as you can tell, it's a bit chipped, but lucky it didn't damage there. So we saw this in here. Down there.
Oh yeah.
And down there.
Oh yeah.
So the pistons, everything's alright.
Yeah, well,
It locked up because we were, what's it called? Checking the pressure of the cylinders. And they were all good, and then it just stopped. So these are new valves. Well, yeah, second hand, but reconditioned. And then these ones, all of these need to go get done properly. We can do it on the lathe, but look, that's, so you, like, they're the ones. They're too old. They need to have like that special cut.
yeah, right.
See, these are still okay. They just need to like, dude, it's just legit a clean because it needs that, like, it's hard to explain. It's really, you can't really see it. Restoring the alternator. See, just need to pretty much paint. Water pump is, this is the old one. We've got a new one over here. This is made in Japan. It might actually have the coronavirus. So,
yo, that's
it's a metal one.
sick.
It's not bad. Got it held cheap. See, look, you got plastic,
Yeah, right.
metal. So it's a lot better.
This is the pump, like, but virtually that's the pump in there.
Yeah,
That pumps it once inside.
which is pretty sick.
Different designs of this one.
Yeah, see, that's plastic in there, and this one's metal. So I'm hoping that lasts longer.
Yeah.
This is the. What is this? No. This is the power steering pump. So there's no point of painting because it's legit on the bottom. Yeah, just like that in diesel. Everything's fine, man. Low K car, so
Yeah,
I only did 170, but some dodgy bastard worked on this before because the manifold all here was just all glue. They don't use glue, they use proper.
Yeah, that's right. That's
Oh, we
true.
got this. This I started working on, but see, I need to sand the whole thing.
Oh yeah, nice.
Paint it all silver. All of
nice.
that's nicely cleaned. I just taped it up. I don't know how heavy this shit is.
Oh, that's the exhaust, isn't
yeah,
it?
but look how weird these. Yeah, I need to.
that's the O2 sensor.
Yeah, like back in the day.
Whoa, I've never seen anything
So,
like that.
but Dano said I can disconnect it, but I just need to block everything on the other end. Dude,
Moves fine.
look at what the f***. Dude, that's like worse than my trampoline pipes. Well, I had disconnected the fuel and we're just cranking, and we just kept on trying to do that, and then it obviously just snapped. I reckon it was dodgy before, man, because like I said before, when we were pulling everything apart, everything just butched, like dodgy, put together, what's it called? Nuts, and that was stripped. Dodgy work.